Hello, everyone. This is Ian, author of Lee Media and the founder of two e-commerce businesses and an Amazon seller for 20 years. Today, I'm going to be talking about why you should be really careful when you stack Amazon FBA promotions. And I'll explain exactly what that means in a second. If this video helps you, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And you are responsible for following relevant terms, and your experience may be different than what I'm about to show you. And I'm going to start by showing you the current Amazon FBA interface. This is the reports area. What I want you to do is, assuming you're a professional seller on Amazon FBA, go to advertising and then select promotions. And what I'm talking about here is Amazon gives you an opportunity to create different types of promotions if you're in the Amazon Pro Seller program, and also depending on whether you have a brand and what type of product it is. But these are some of the promotions that are available to me, including social media promo code, buy one get one free, percentage off. I also have another one called coupons, which you can access by going to advertising coupons. So I have all these different types of promotions. But one mistake that I sometimes see new sellers and even experienced sellers making is they'll stack their promotions and they'll set themselves up for failure. And this is what I'm talking about. Amazon actually lets you create different promotions for the same product at the same time. And sometimes if you're creating something like a coupon across all of your products, okay, and you say, all right, let's give a 20% off coupon for Valentine's Day. All right, so you go to advertising, you go to coupons, and then you say, all right, well, I have all of these coupons here. Let's create another one for everything, starting on Valentine's Day, 20% off everything. But if you go to take a look at your other promotions, you may find that you've already created a percentage off promotion for 20% for some of those products, and maybe a buy one get one free promotion for some of the other products. So what's happening is when customers go to the product page, they'll see something like this. Let me blow that up a little bit. Okay, so it's listed as Prime. It's an FBA product, free returns. Coupon, save an extra 5% when you apply this coupon. Save 10% on two select items. And in this particular case, this is for two select items from the same brand. So what might happen is if you set your discount levels too high, like let's say this one's 20% and this one's 20%, all of a sudden you have people being able to take off 40% off the listed price of whatever you're selling. And while some people may be able to absorb a 40% discount, a lot of companies just cannot do that. And this also gets into the issue, what I always tell people, when you're setting up your FBA business, you really have to understand your margins. Like not just, how much the product is listed for, because Amazon loves to tell you every month. Like if you go to reports, business reports, they'll say, oh yeah, today, you made $161 in ordered product sales. But they're not telling you that actually that's does not include the amount of money they will take for fulfilling it, your FBA fulfillment fees. So let's say that all of a sudden this $161, that declines to $120 after Amazon's FBA fees. And because you're paying for Amazon advertising, an advertising campaign to drive traffic to the detail page, that's another $40 or $50 taken off this amount. And it doesn't include your own production costs and the cost of shipping them to an Amazon fulfillment center. So this number is very misleading. And then on top of that, if you are giving big discounts off of your product, 5% and 10%, that's not too bad. That's 15% total on certain products. But sometimes people, they'll just stack up these huge discounts off their products. And they're like, wow, look at all the sales I'm getting. And then they take a look at their profit and loss statement, and they're getting creamed. And oftentimes, if you go to the Amazon Seller Central user forums, you'll see some poor seller, made a huge mistake, maybe inadvertently, maybe because they just didn't know how these things worked. And they've given like 60, 70% off of their products. They're almost giving away their products for free, and they're getting killed on their margins. So it's not worth it to basically make tons of sales and lose money. Yet a lot of sellers still do that. And often the times the reason is because they're stacking promotions. And if you're careful with your promotions and keep track of what you're doing for your coupons and your BOGO offers, it can work out okay. But if you're not careful, you can really get burned. This is Ian Lamont from Lean Media. Go to leanmedia.org, click on video or blog to get more tips like this. If you're watching on YouTube, if this helped you, if you could like it and follow me, I'd be very grateful. I have new tips for Amazon, FBA, Amazon advertising, Shopify, all kinds of stuff coming up a couple times every week. I really appreciate you tuning in, and I'll see you next time.